Good morning my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing 3 videos this morning back to back, so if you haven't already seen the 2 previous ones that I've done, just have a little look back, or I'm going to link them, if I can, I will link them in the cards up above so that you can catch them. So this morning I had, after my morning shower, I used the Liqueur Pink Clay regime, so I've reviewed that. So if you're interested in that, then have a look at that video. Then I reviewed the Argan Oil drops for your hair, so that's another one for you to check out and have a look at. This one is the Pixie Rose Flash Balm. There you go, that's what it looks like. And the reason I've decided to do all 3 one after the other is because, you know, in the morning when you've done your morning routine and then you want to put on your moisturiser, you've washed your hair, you want to put on whatever you put on your hair. So I thought they'd go hand in hand. Okay, so this is a new product to me. I have used it maybe 3 times now. I've heard loads of really good things about it and I am actually enjoying using it. Okay, so Rose Flash Balm with rose and olive extract. So that is what the packaging looks like. Okay, so it's got skin loving ingredients, rose water, balances the pH and antioxidant rich. The rose extract minimises dryness and soothes. Olive leaf extract smoothing superfood. So there, the ingredients, that's what the ingredients do. This radiant boosting balm is the ultimate pick-me-up for tired, lackluster skin, helping with signs of fatigue in a flash. This 3-in-1 oil-free, quick-absorbing formula instantly moisturises and brightens and is great at revitalising, as well as a primer to prep the skin for perfect makeup application and for all skin types. So it says use AM and PM or as needed. To use as a treatment primer, apply a thin layer to face and neck after cleansing. Do not rub. Follow with foundation if desired. To use as a mask, apply a thick layer and leave on for 5 minutes 2 to 3 times a week. 45 ml in here, and let's get this on. Pixie is available from lots of various places, lots of the beauty websites, etc. You'll be able to find Pixie, and I actually got this from Amazon. It is white, as you can see. The product is white and it smells very faintly of roses. It's very, very subtle, very gentle smell. So I'm just gonna pop this on. It feels amazing, and I guess you can put it on as thick or as thinly as you want to. Feels lovely, honestly. It's so cooling, and it's got that, I don't know, it's just got the texture that easily just spreads over your skin without any having to really like try and drag it around your face. Just gonna pop some here as well. Don't you think it makes your skin look really radiant? It's really nice. The smell, as I say, it's a very gentle rose smell. It's as though you're smelling a rose from a rose bush. It's not like a fake rose smell. It's absolutely, it feels lovely. I just think it's a lovely product. It certainly does make me feel like I've got luminosity back in my skin anyway. I thought I'd share that with you guys. Pixie isn't a brand that I'm familiar with particularly. I've used the odd thing, but I haven't used a lot, but I have seen great reviews from the Pixie range, so I think I'm going to start investing in this a little bit more. This, as I say, is the first product as in skincare that I've used, or can be used obviously as a primer as well, and I'm really liking it. As I say, this is about the 4th time I've actually put it on my skin. I'm really enjoying it. I think smells lovely, it feels lovely. Anything that helps an older skin look radiant, give it a massive thumbs up. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.